Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorials by Just Lost and Braid. To all my subscribers, new and old, you're welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this. So first thing I'll be needing is my dummy cap and your dummy hair. So I've turned my cap around, like the back, not the other way around. I'm going to sew around before flipping the cap over. This is just to secure the end, so that when putting on your cap or when combing the hair, the cap doesn't show, so they don't know is a cap. So it's just like a normal hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to secure the end of the band of the dummy cap. So I'm done doing that. I'm just going to flip it over, like turn the cap back to normal and continue the step-by-step method with the wig. Please, while doing this, do not cut the extension, just tag it very well so it doesn't show a knot, because some people can be very mad when you cut their human hair extension, especially if you are doing it for a client, a new client. So be aware of that. This finishing point is very crucial, so you have to pay attention to it when closing it, and so it looks like the machine sew, the finishing with the closure. Okay. I'm just going to trim out some excessive hair that is not needed to make the cap go round, because the style we are creating is around and a little on the baby face of me. So just trim the excessive hair and be careful so you don't waste the extension. It's very tight when using this dummy type of cap these days. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't get notified anytime I upload a new video. This way I dash out. One love. Bye.